Today, we will learn subtraction of integers. We come across many situations in our life where it becomes necessary to perform subtraction of integers. For example, subtraction of temperatures, subtraction of distances, subtraction of profits, or subtraction of losses. Let us learn how to perform subtraction of integers in these situations. First, we will understand how to do subtraction of positive integers. Suppose the temperature of a place is 3 degrees centigrade. If it increases to 7 degrees centigrade, then what is the rise in temperature? In order to find out, we need to subtract 3 degrees centigrade from 7 degrees centigrade. That means we need to subtract plus 3 from plus 7. Whenever we have to subtract an integer from another integer, then we will add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the first integer. The additive inverse of any number can be obtained by changing its sign. So the additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Therefore, the addition can be written as plus 7 plus minus 3. Here, you can see this one is a positive integer and the other one is a negative integer. Can you tell how to carry out this addition? Think for a while. Let me tell you. To find out the sum of these, first, we will find the numeral value, that is, the number without a sign. The numeral value of plus 7 is 7, and the numeral value of minus 3 is 3. Now, we will subtract the smaller numeral value, which is 3, from the larger numeral value, which is 7. The result obtained is 4. Now, we will put the sign of the number whose numeral value is larger, which is plus. Therefore, the result will be plus 4. From the result, it is clear that there is an increase of 4 degrees centigrade in the temperature. Subtraction of integers can also be done on a number line. Here, first we will convert the operation of subtraction into an operation of addition. This means, in the place of plus 7 minus plus 3, we will write plus 7 plus minus 3. Now, the first number is plus 7. Since this is a positive integer, we will move 7 steps to the right of 0. By doing this, we will reach the number plus 7. The other number is minus 3. Since this is a negative integer, we will move 3 steps towards the left. Thus, we reach plus 4, which is the result of subtraction of plus 7 and plus 3. Now, we will understand how to do subtraction of negative integers. Suppose the temperature of a place decreases from minus 3 and reaches minus 7. So, the decrease in temperature can be found by subtracting minus 3 from minus 7. In this case also, we will find the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted, that is plus 3, and we will add this to minus 7. In order to add plus 3 to minus 7, first, we will subtract the smaller numeral value, that is, number without sign, from the larger numeral value, and then we will put the sign of that number whose numeral value is larger. By doing so, we obtain the result minus 4. From the result, it is clear that the temperature has decreased by 4 degrees centigrade. We can also perform the subtraction of these numbers on the number line. Here also, we will convert the operation of subtraction into operation of addition. That means, in the place of minus 7 minus minus 3, we will write minus 7 plus plus 3. Now, the first number is minus 7. Since this is a negative integer, we will move 7 steps to the left side of 0. By doing so, we will reach the number minus 7. The other number is plus 3. Since this is a positive integer, we will move 3 steps towards the right of minus 7. Thus, we reach minus 4, which is the result of the subtraction of minus 7 and minus 3. In the same way, we can perform subtraction on a positive integer and a negative integer. Suppose the temperature at a place is 3 degrees centigrade. If it decreases and reaches -7 degrees centigrade, then the decrease in temperature can be found by subtracting +3 from -7. Even in this case, we will find the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted, that is, -3. Then we will add this to -7. As you can see, the sign is the same in both -7 and -3. Therefore, we will add the numeral values of these numbers. And we will put the sign of these numbers, that is minus sign, with the result. Thus, the result obtained is -10. In order to obtain the result of -7 minus +3 on the number line, first, we will convert it into the operation of addition, that is, -7 plus -3. The first number is -7, so we will move 7 steps towards the left of 0. The second number is -3, so we will again move 3 steps towards the left of -7. Thus, we reach -10. That means the result is -10. Today, we have learnt that whenever we need to subtract one integer from another integer, we need to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the first integer. Today, let's look at some examples related to subtraction of integers. In a quiz competition, +1 mark is given for a correct answer and -1 mark is given for an incorrect answer. If Dinesh scored 17 points and Samir scored -9 points, then find out how many points Dinesh won this competition by. To find this, we need to subtract Samir's score from Dinesh's score. This means we find the value of 17 minus -9. Can you tell me how to perform the subtraction of these numbers? Think for a while. You've got it right. First, we will convert the operation of subtraction into addition. In order to do this, we first write the first number as it is. Now, we change the sign of subtraction and write the sign of addition. Then, we write the additive inverse of the other number. To do so, we change the sign of that number. Now, we find the result of 17 plus 9, which is 26. This means Dinesh has won by 26 marks in the competition. Next example. A person is on the second floor, above the ground level of a building. If he has to go to the third floor below the ground level, then how many floors does he have to go down to reach it? If we consider the ground level as 0, then the second floor above the ground level will be represented as +2, and the third floor below the ground level will be represented as -3. To find out the number of floors he has to go down, we have to subtract his current position, which is +2, from his new position, which is -3. Can you tell me how to solve this on the number line? Think a little. Let me tell you, since we need to perform the operation of subtraction, we will first convert it into operation of addition. To do so, we add the additive inverse of +2 to -3. To solve this, we will draw a number line of integers. The first number is -3, so we move 3 steps to the left of 0. The other number is -2, so we move 2 steps to the left of -3. By doing so, we reach -5. The negative sign indicates that the person has to go down, and the number 5 indicates the number of floors. Therefore, from the second floor above the ground level to the third floor below the ground level, the person has to go down 5 floors. Today, we have seen examples of subtraction of integers. In the next video, we will clear some misconceptions related to it. Today, let's look at some misconceptions related to the subtraction of integers. Misconception 1. What is the result of -5 minus +3? While solving -5 minus +3, sometimes 3 is subtracted from 5. Since 5 is the larger number here, therefore, negative sign is placed before the result. Similarly, sometimes 3 is subtracted from 5 and the sign of the first number, that is -5, is placed before the result. Because of these two misconceptions, option 1 is chosen as the answer, which is incorrect. Sometimes 5 and 3 are added, but the negative sign is ignored. Because of this, option 2 may be chosen, which is also incorrect. The correct answer is option 3, that is -8. Because subtracting +3 from -5 means adding the additive inverse of +3 to -5. Thus, the additive inverse of +3 is -3. Therefore, the result obtained by adding -3 to -5 is -8. To solve this on the number line, first, we will move 5 steps to the left of 0, and then we move 3 steps to the left of -5. Thus, we reach -8. So the correct answer is option 3. Misconception 2. Which of the following statements is not true? In the given expression, the operation of subtraction of these integers is performed. Now, from the given statements, we need to identify a statement which is not suitable for this expression. The first statement says that a person goes 7 floors upwards from the 5th floor below the ground level. To find out the current position of the person, -5 is subtracted from 7. The expression is written as 7 minus -5. This is a misunderstanding. Since the person is moving 7 floors upwards from the -5th floor, the current floor position can be found by the expression -5 plus 7. Therefore, the first statement is not true. This means this is the answer to the given question. The second statement says that one group gets 7 and the other group gets -5 points. Sometimes, in order to find the difference between the points, the operation of addition is performed and the expression is written as 7 plus -5. Therefore, the second statement is considered as false and option 2 is chosen as the answer for the given question. But this is a misunderstanding. To find out the difference between the points, lesser points are subtracted from more points. Therefore, the expression will be 7 minus -5. That means the second statement is true. This cannot be the answer to the given question. The third statement says that the temperature rises from -5 degrees centigrade to 7 degrees centigrade. Sometimes, to find out the increase in temperature, the second number is subtracted from the first number, which is expressed like this. This is also a misunderstanding. Similarly, sometimes students understand that to find out the increase, initial temperature is subtracted from the final temperature. But they simply ignore the signs. Because of this, the expression is written as 7 minus 5. This is also a misunderstanding. The correct understanding is that to find out the increase, -5 degrees centigrade should be subtracted from 7 degrees centigrade. That means the expression will be 7 minus -5. Since the given statement represents the correct statement, this also cannot be the answer to the given question. Today, we have seen misconceptions related to the subtraction of integers.